All right, we're going with That's My Jam. That's My Jam cocktail. We are doing dark liquor and we are featuring cognac, okay? Cognac is a dark liquor. Use the brand of your choice. Today we're going to use Hennessy, but you could use Uncle Nearest, you could use Chez by Le Portier, you could use any of the brands out there that you feel comfortable with. So let's get started. We are going to go in with 2 ounces of our cognac right into our shaker. I'm also going to add just a little bit of thyme so it shakes and you get that essence of the thyme in there. We're going to go in with 1 ounce of pineapple juice. We're also going to go in with 1.5 ounces of simple syrup. And the secret to That's My Jam is actual jam. Now we're going to use a mandarin orange jam. Now don't get confused. There's jam, there's jelly, and there's marmalade. All 3 are totally different. So we're using a jam. Now you could use pineapple, you could use apricot, whatever citrus you want to use, go for it. Okay, so for our jam, we're going in with about 1 ounce, okay? So this jar is 1.4 ounces, so I'm just eyeballing it here, almost all of the jar. All right, then we want to go in with some lemon juice. You can use lime if you have lime, and I'm gonna give it about 1/2 ounce. All right, now we're ready to go in with our ice into our shaker and give it a really good shake because you want to break up all that jam and you want to bruise the thyme sprig that we have in there. So make sure your lid is secure before you start shaking. Last time I did this, I was shaking and it ended up all over my shirt and pants. I'm using an elevated craft shaker. It doesn't get your hands cold, and that's one thing I love about it. Okay, here we go. It looks so good and so refreshing. And I can see the little bit of pieces of thyme going in there, just ever so slightly, little bitty pieces. Now the last thing we're gonna add is just a little bit of topper. This is club soda. This is optional, but it does give a little bit of extra fizz. And then garnish with a little piece of thyme. So pretty. Just a little bit, not much. And that's my jam cocktail.